Stuffed, regular chocolate chip, birthday cake sprinkle, and then everything.
First, we're gonna try this birthday cake sprinkle cookie. It looks really good. Honestly, sprinkles are not my favorite thing. I think I would like this cookie better if there was just frosting or something on it. The cookie itself is really good. It's the sprinkles that I'm not vibing with. Now we're gonna try the Oreo stuffed cookie, which I did just warm it up in the microwave for about 15 seconds. It looks so good. Let's see here if I can break it. That's good. Yeah, messy.